Okay. Geography का first chapter, resources and development, very short answer. Define resources. Everything which can be used to satisfy our needs is called resources. Okay, देख सकते हो. Second, classification of resources on the basis of origin. It had been classified into biotic and abiotic. On the basis of exhaustibility, it is classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. On the basis of ownership, individual, community. Individual means personal, community, national and international. On the basis of status and development potential, development, resources, reserve and stock has been classified. On the basis of origin, biotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere. They have life or are living organism resources. Okay. Example: human beings, fisheries, forest, etc. Abiotic resources including all the non-living things. Example: rocks and minerals. Okay. Second, on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, it had been classified into two types: renewable resources. The resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes are known as renewable or replenishable resources. Example: water, wildlife, forest, solar energy, wind energy and water. Non-renewable resources, the resources which once get exhausted cannot be remade. They take a long geological period of time, millions of years in their formation. Minerals, fossil fuels, etc., oil and coal. Okay. Next, on the basis of ownership, individual resources. The resources owned privately by individuals are called individual resources. For example, plot, houses, etc., owned by a person. Community owned resources, the resources that are accessible to all the members of the community. For example, public parks, picnic spots owned by a community. Next, national resources, which are also a part of the okay, etc. On the basis of, okay, so part of, okay, the resources which come under the nation are known as the national resources. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. Example: roads, railways, canals, etc. International resources, the resources lying beyond 200 kilometers of exclusive economic zone in the ocean are called international resources. No one can use these resources without the permission of the international institution. For example, oceanic water beyond 200 kilometers. Okay. On the basis of a status of development, potential resources, development resources, stocks are the parts of the, on the basis of the status of development. Potential resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. For example, the regions Rajasthan and Gujarat have enormous potential for the development of wind and solar energy. Okay. Developed resources, resources that are surveyed but surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Stock, the resources that had been surveyed but cannot be used due to lack of technology. For example, water is the compound of the two inflammable gases. Which one? Hydrogen and oxygen, which can be used as the source of energy, but we do not have technical knowledge how to use them. Okay, that's clear. Okay, thank you.